Let's make a bloody smoothie with this shit. Alright, folks? So what I would do if I want to make a smoothie with this, right? I would only use 2 herbs tops, right? 2 or 3 herbs, because you don't want to overshadow your smoothie and make your smoothie taste like shit. A smoothie like this, you're not having it because it tastes like, oh, you're having it because you're having a very high nutrient boost. About 2.5 to 3 bananas. I got some Zemli dates, right? These dates are too buff. I'll put those in there. As you know, I'm not the most organized of people, but it's not about how good it looks, it's about how good it works. A wise man once told me, forget what it looks like, focus on what it actually is. Just a little bit flax. I put some whole hemp seeds. I put a whole spoon of that. Because they have like a nutty taste. That's a whole spoon, innit? Well, I'm gonna put half. And then some ashwagandha. I'm gonna put a lot of spinach in there, add some water and blend it up. But what you guys can do at home is you can experiment. So sometimes you might wanna use some sarsaparilla. Sometimes you might wanna use some honey gold weed. But I can't use them all together. What I do is 2 or 3. It's an acquired taste, so maybe try it out first before you actually try it. Mash up a bunch in there. Make sure you share this video, guys. Let's grow Dungo Book. 10K subscribers is our next target. Here we go. I think I'm gonna have to create a series called A Messy Lazy Cook, because bloody heck, mate, my food tastes amazing, yeah. Not even trying to gas up the things, but you know, you guys have been to my come down with Dungos. My food tastes amazing, but the way I cook is too messy, it's too lazy. But at least you guys know it's real. Here we go. That's good stuff. Ashwagandha has a little bit of an aftertaste, right? A little bit, but it's bearable. Some of you guys are drinking bloody raw eggs, so this right here is definitely a win. I'm already floating, baby. I'm already floating. I feel like, you know, I'm walking on water. People ask me why I'm always energetic. Because I always have energy, because I've drank that life force. This here is one of the most nutritious things you can drink. It's packed with powders, some good powders, and it's packed with, you know, spinach, bananas, dates. Bloody hell, man. I can't even list all the nutrients in there. But guys, make sure you subscribe, like, share. It's important you guys share, and let's get these gains in together, baby. Let's go.